In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Pipedrive. We'll walk through signing in, opening the right settings, choosing exactly which records you want, and downloading them as a file you can use anywhere. Follow along in your own account so you can save a copy of your data with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Pipedrive website. Click Login and sign in with your work email. If your company uses single sign-on or two-step verification, complete that as you normally do. Once you're in, go to the account area. Depending on your layout, this may appear under your profile avatar or company name in the top right. Next, open Tools and Apps. If you see a drop-down, choose the Tools and Apps option from there. This takes you to the workspace where Pipedrive keeps utilities like imports, integrations, and exports. From here, select Export Data. This is the control center for getting a copy of your CRM records out of Pipedrive. On the export page, choose what you want to take with you. You can export leads, deals, organizations, people, products, activities, notes, or files. Pick only what you need to keep your download compact and easier to analyze. Keep in mind that your ability to export may follow your user permissions. If you don't see a category, your admin might have restricted it. Also, larger datasets can take longer to prepare, so give it a moment if your account has a lot of history. When you're ready, click Export to land. Pipedrive will prepare a file for download. You can choose the format that works best for you. An Excel workbook if you plan to open it in spreadsheet software right away, or a CSV file if you'll use it with databases, BI tools, or need maximum compatibility. CSV is a safe default for most data workflows, while Excel is convenient for quick sorting and filtering. After you select the format, confirm the export and save the file to your computer. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider adding the date to the file name so it's easier to track versions later. If your browser blocks automatic downloads, check the download bar or allow the site to save the file. That's it. You now have a clean export of your Pipedrive data that you can back up, share with your team, or load into reporting tools. Thanks for following along. You've successfully signed in, navigated to Tools and Apps, opened export data, selected your categories, clicked export, and saved your file locally.